Let's learn how to remove someone as moderator on TikTok Live. Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to remove someone as moderator on TikTok Live. If for any reason you want to remove a moderator, maybe because you don't like how he or she manages your TikTok Live, click on the plus icon found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the live option. Now you're going to see an option that says settings. Click on it. Click on the moderator option. So you just have to select the particular moderator that you wish to wipe out from your list of moderators you wish to remove. So just click on that particular person. You're going to see an option at the top here that says remove. So if you click on this remove option, automatically this moderator will automatically be removed from your TikTok Live. So guys, that is it on how to remove someone as a moderator on TikTok Live. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.